Okay, now you can see all in one graph. This is question 16. You are given a sketch of a function. We don't know the equation. What you need to make is make transformation of this picture. If you take every x away and put it back half of it, I mean you're taking half of every x value. So remember what we do. This is a small number, less than 1. That means stretch. But which direction? Sideways or horizontal stretch. So this is the effect you are going to make. You are going to stretch this direction. The points on the left will go further left. The points on the right will go further right. How much? As much as this number, twice the distance. Twice. Do you see it? Now, how can I do this efficiently? Here is one option you can make. Pick some pivot points, like these corners of the shape, and find their locations in x terms. For example, this is, what's the coordinate of this point? -2, right? Correct? Do I have to put the y coordinate as well? No. X coordinates will be going right and left, right? So I'm not writing the y coordinate of this one. What is the x coordinate of this thing? Well, it seems like a half, right? About a half. Oh no, I'm wrong, sorry. Why don't you fix me? I'm wrong. This is not -2. Where do I check that? Look, it's -4. Okay, this thing is about -1, and this thing is about at 1, and this thing is at 4. Now it's all about knowing the effect. This thing stretches sideways, away from y-axis, away from y-axis. Okay, that means I'm going to double each quantity here. 4 will go to 8. This 2 is going to go to where? No, this 1 is going to go to 2. 2 is here, right? But only side, this side. You don't move it here, okay? You don't go diagonally, only to the right and left, direct right and direct left. Okay, where does -1 go? -2. Spot -2 here. So the red point is here now. Where does -4 go? -8. There you go. Now connect these. You see the enlargement? Stretch? It's stretching, but sideways. The size of this thing, height, is still the same. Height doesn't change, only the width of the stuff. So let's pick this one from the options. This was 16. So which one has -8 and 8 on the ends? This looks like the right choice, right? Do we have another one? Oh, there is another one, but what's the difference? This is also from -8 to 8. Which one is the right choice? These corners should be sitting at, these two, at -2 and 2. So A fits into that. This one, oh, this is also -2 and 2. And do we have two same answers? No, look at the height. What is this point sitting at? 1, 2, 3. In other words, at -6. And this one at still -3, between -2 and -4. The size, y distance, the distance on y shouldn't change. It should be still -3. So this is a close call. It looks like you can be tempted into choosing C, But that's wrong. Should be A. Y values do not change. Every point still have the same Y value. Every point in the original. If you don't trust me, check. Is this point used to have, for example, this Y value? Does it have still the same Y value? Yeah. It only expands out in along x-axis. Height of each